Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. I just got my lens fixed or cleaned or whatever. I couldn't get the lens cover off, but I went to this GoPro shop and they did it for me and they showed me how to do it, so I should be good from now on. I might avoid going underwater with the GoPro from now on, but all is good now. So now let's go explore Bangkok. I think we're just gonna hop on one of these buses because this GoPro shop was kind of in the middle. I'm not gonna say of nowhere because it's not nowhere. Still stuff going on around here, but not anything touristy or whatever. So we're gonna hop on a bus and see where it takes us. Pretty much. Come on, O! I thought you were behind me! Here's the bus stop right here. So we should be able to get a bus pretty soon and head somewhere. I usually try to avoid taking the bus because I don't know the protocols and whatever, but I have a local with me, so I should be just fine. I will be just fine. Perks of traveling with a local. I don't know if I'm gonna get on that particular bus. Yeah, no. We are now in Terminal 21. Changed the plans because we wanted to go to the temple, but it is raining. I decided to visit Thailand during the rainy season. Thank you. Some elevator action in this video. We could not find a taxi that would use the meters, so we're taking Well, after we ate at Terminal 21, we kind of came back to my Airbnb and crashed. It's currently 1 a.m. O is still asleep. I'm going to go ahead and go out to Calson Road, find something simple, cheap to eat. So let's head that way. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you for watching. Good night from Bangkok, Thailand. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world.